4th of October, we have a 4 then as our soul number, then we have the 10 as our homework this month, the mastery, the 7, the 9 from the year, the gift and the knowledge, and our path is a 5. So today we can feel like maybe yesterday you did something, or today you feel really like stiff within your body and you feel blocked, and like you also feel blocked in your mind, and nothing is working out, and like everything is heavy, and it can be like that, but it doesn't need to be. If you do take good care of your body, if you listen, first listen and then act, keep acting. There's a way through the blocks, there's a way around the blocks, there's a way above, over the blocks, under the blocks, just see the blocks and make it like an adventure, how you can move through them, with them, but don't stay stuck. Move, that's the energy of the day. Really move your body, move yourself, again, step by step, don't rush, but move. And it's a good day to just walk it out. And just by walking, and you also doing like maybe a breath walk. You can do it like with the Satanama, so you can count or with your fingers. Satanama. It's a really powerful practice called Kirtan. You can look it up. They have done research on it, and it helps to create new pathways in your brains. But we need that. You need new opportunities and new adventures, and freedom. So all of that will give you freedom of mind and freedom from your heart. It will give you the way around the blocks, like through the blocks. So that's the 4th.